For dinner, we are going to be making a goat meat pepper soup and rice. So I'm going to be adding 2 seasoning cubes and also salt. So I'm going to be still cooking this before I add my pepper soup ingredients. While the goat meat is cooking, I just want to blend all my pepper, my crayfish, and my pepper soup ingredients. I still have some pepper soup ingredients that I brought from Nigeria. When I went to Nigeria, my sisters, they were selecting all these pepper soup ingredients for me. In their mind now, they think I know how to use them. I put two not do. I be my put joiner. Wow, it smells so good though. I know this one, yes. This one is a Igbosa. Man, I go talk with her, no. Now, that's what it looks like. I just put small. I think they scent, not be small. I just use this one, what I already have. Add crayfish and blend. So guys, I added some pepper. I'm going to be blending this. I'll blend the crayfish separately. So it's the goat meat. It don't bring water come out by itself. So I don't need water anymore. Except later. So that our soup can have water. So this is what our pepper soup ingredients and the pepper look like. I'm just going to add it so that the thing will cook with it. Add some water. Let's cover that. Meanwhile, I'm parboiling some rice here. So I want to blend some crayfish. So I'm also going to be blending 2 tomatoes. Yeah, this is Benin Abiedo pepper soup. Now they had the tomatoes joint pepper soup. Only the one we want just drink. Maybe you want to use it to drink that one you can cook it like that, but this one is to eat rice. Let's blend our tomatoes. I'm just using 2 tomatoes though. 2 tomatoes. So we add in water and just blend it. Just going to add in our tomatoes. Some water. Look at that now. Take a look at that. Still going to cover it. So I know say goat meat. It takes time before it done. I'm going to add in my crayfish. That's the last thing I'm adding. So we need more water because this one is thick. You guys can see it's thick. So guys, food is ready. So guys, our pepper soup, it's ready.